Good evening to everyone. I am Harshni. My roll number is 23BQ1A1202. So, my seminar topic is Transport Layer Protocol in Computer Networks. So, a transport layer. First, we will know about the transport layer. The transport layer is the fourth model of the OSI model, and the main function of this transport layer is end-to-end communication between devices. There will be so many devices, so the communication between devices we use transport layer. Next, the transport layer is the fourth layer of OSI model and the second layer in the TCP and IP model. Next, it provides end-to-end communication between the source and destination. Next, it provides reliable delivery of the services. It provides the reliable delivery, and it also manages error and flow control. It detects the error and corrects the error, and we will know the flow control between the number of devices. These are the features that transport layer will work. It gives connection between the source and destination and reliable delivery of the services, and we will also manage error and the flow control between the devices. So to perform these actions we require protocols. There are four types of protocols: TCP, UDP, SCTP, RTP. The TCP full form is Transmission Control Protocol, UDP full form is User Datagram Protocol, SCTP full form is Stream Control Transmission Protocol, RTP full form is Real Time Transport Protocol. So now we will discuss in detail about each protocol. The first one is TCP protocol, which is also known as transmission control protocol. So the transmission control protocol, it is a type of connection oriented protocol. So there will be a connection between the devices. Next, the main definition of this TCP is a connection is established between sender and receiver before data is sending. The data will send to from one device to any device. No, before sending the data only, there will appear a connection between the sender and a receiver. That is a TCP. So we have some features. The main features of TCP are reliable, means guarantee of delivery of data. It will compulsory deliver the data from sender to receiver. Next, ordered. We will send data in a ordered way. So it will receive the data in ordered way only. In which way have sent the data, it will receive also in the same way. Next, error control. We will control the errors by using checksum and retransmission for error recovery. Next, flow control. We can see the control by sliding window protocol and acknowledgements. Next, congestion control, adjust the sending rate to prevent network congestion. Next, handshake process. We use a three-way handshake. So this is all about TCP. The main features is error control and flow control are the main. Next, we will see the advantage, disadvantage, and examples. Advantage of TCP. I have already told you that it is a reliable and it will receive the data in the ordered way. So it is also an ordered delivery of data. Next is suitable for large data transmission, where we can send the large data and provides follow and congestion control. Next, disadvantage of TCP: slower because we have connection. Here we will establish a connection, so it will become as slow as usual. Next, large header. So these are the advantages and the disadvantages. The examples are web browsing and emails. These are the best examples for TCP. The second protocol is UDP protocol. UDP full form is User Datagram Protocol. It is a connectionless protocol. Whereas in TCP we have connection protocol, but here it is a connectionless. No need of connection. The definition of this UDP protocol is data is sent without establishing a connection, whereas in TCP there should build a connection. After it, before building a connection, it sends the data. But here we no need of establishing a connection to send the data. Next, main features: unreliable, fast, small header size, no ordering, used for real-time applications. These are the main features. The main feature of this UDP is it is fast. because there is no connection, so it is fast and unreliable, whereas TCP is reliable but it is unreliable because there is no retransmission if data is lost, and no ordering. In TCP the data is ordered way, but here it is no ordering. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages. Very fast because there is no connection, and suitable for real time and streaming data, lower overhead. These are the advantages. And disadvantages: no guarantee of delivery. In TCP it gives us guarantee that it compulsory deliver the data, whereas in this there is no guarantee. The data may send or may not be sent. No error correction or no flow control. In here we cannot see the flow control, as well as we cannot correct the errors. Packet may arrive in the wrong order because there is no order, so it may arrive where the first one will go last, the last one will go first. It may go in a in order sequence. Next example is video streaming. Next, the third protocol is SCTP protocol. The full form is a Stream Control Transmission Protocol. It is reliable, message-oriented, connection-oriented transport layer protocol that combines best features of TCP and UDP. In this, it combines TCP and UDP both the features. So it is a combination of TCP and UDP, that is reliable, message-oriented, and connection-oriented. Mainly it is used for telecommunication signal over IP networks. It is the main area where we use this SCTP. Next, we will see the main features. As I have said in previous slide, it is connection oriented and message oriented. We will see the description that what is connection oriented and what is message oriented. Connection oriented, like TCP, a connection established before data transfer. TCP, we have seen that at there before data transfer we have established the connection. Here also same. Next one is message oriented. Transfers complete message, so it transfers any data fully without leaving anything. Next, multi-streaming, multiple independent data streams within one connection, whereas in one connection multiple data will streams at a time. Next, multi-homing. Multi-homing means multiple IP addresses. Here also we can see multiple IP addresses and multiple independent data streams. Many protocols will not support this, but it is a very initiative than other one. Next, here we can also error detect and correction also. Next, combination and flow control. The main features are same as TCP and UDP. It is the date is to establish a connection before data transfer and transfer complete messages, multiple independent data streams and multiple IP streams. And also it detects the error and corrects the error, and we may also see the flow control like TCP, and it prevents the network coordination. These are the main features of SCTP. Next, advantages of SCTP combines reliability of TCP and speed of UDP. In TCP, it takes the reliability feature, and in UDP, it takes the speed feature. Next, I have already told it supports multiple IP paths, and it is also very reliable. Next, prevents blocking and multiple streams. Better for telephony and multimedia signaling. Built-in message boundaries. Disadvantages of SCTP: more complex than TCP and UDP. It is saying that it is more complex than TCP and UDP, and it is not always supported by all operating systems, and it is also slightly overhead. These are the main disadvantages of SCTP, but it combines the features of TCP and UDP. Next examples are video conferencing system and Wi-Fi cellular connection. Next, the fourth protocol, the last protocol, is RTP, real-time transport protocol. We will see the definition. It is used for audio, video, or multimedia data over IP networks. It is mainly focused on audio, video. Next, unlike TCP or UDP, RTP is not responsible for reliability or flow control. The RTP, it mainly focuses on timing, sequencing, and synchronizing. It mainly focuses on these three features. Next, here we see the main features. The main features here we have real-time delivery. means it supports a stream with minimal delay. It may not take more delay. Next, uses UDP as transport. Here it uses UDP as a transport. So, RTP typically runs over UDP for faster transmission. So it uses as UDP as transport. Next, time stamping. Next is sequence numbers, synchronization, payload type identification. These are the main features of RTP. Next, advantages. I have already told it is mainly for audio and video. So supports real-time audio and video streamings. Next, works well with VoIP and video conferencing. Synchronize multiple streams. It is the main focus. When it must support so many streams at a time. But disadvantages, no reliability like UDP. Packets can be lost. The packets can be lost. It is a main disadvantage and needs extra protocols like RTCP. So now we will see the example. Voice over IP video conferencing. So we are having four protocols: TCP, UDP, SCTP, and RTP. These are the four protocols. So we have discussed in this video. Thank you so much.